Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Libby, set up your Chapin Memorial Library card, and check out an ebook using an iPhone. Although I will be using an iPhone in this tutorial, the library card setup is similar for other compatible devices. Libby is a way for you to read or listen to books on the go and is available for download on iPhones and iPads, Androids, and Microsoft PCs. If you already use the OverDrive app, then Libby is just a more user-friendly version. For incompatible devices, you can go to libbyapp.com on the web browser of your device. So let's get started. Please make sure that you have your Chapin Memorial Library card number and your 4-digit PIN number on hand. First, tap the App Store. Then tap the magnifying glass at the bottom right corner. Tap the App Store box at the top and type in Libby. Then tap Search. One of the first apps you'll see is Libby by OverDrive. Across from it is the word Get. Since I have previously downloaded the app, I have a cloud where Get would be. Tap Get and let it download. Then tap Open. Then tap Yes, and tap I'll search for a library. Tap the box and type in Chapin Memorial Library. As you type, you'll notice that the app automatically populates suggestions. Once you see Palmetto Library Consortium Chapin Memorial Library, tap that option. Then tap Chapin Memorial Library. Then tap the box and enter your card number and tap Next. Then type in your 4-digit PIN number. Then tap Go. Once your Libby library card is set up, tap Next. And welcome to the Libby library. As you scroll down, you can see what books have just been added, as well as what's new, popular, and available in ebook and audiobook formats. As you continue to scroll, you can also select certain genres. You also have the option at the top to search for a title or author by tapping the search bar and typing. The app will automatically populate suggestions as you type. Once you tap on an option, you'll be taken to the page with the various books. If you see the word borrow by any title, that means it is available for you to check out at that time. If you see the words place hold by a title, that means it is checked out currently and you can be placed on a wait list for it. Once you see a title that you like and it is available, tap borrow. Then tap borrow again to check it out on your library card. The app automatically downloads books so that you're able to read them offline. When you initially set up your library card, it will ask you if you want to set up notifications as well. Since that is not the purpose of this tutorial, we will skip that. Once the book is downloaded, tap Open Book to start reading. Then tap Libby to read it through the Libby app. Now the book is open and you are able to enjoy. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to download the Libby app, set up your library card, and check out an ebook. If you have any questions, please call or come by and visit us.